All right, sorry I got cut off. Hopefully I caught it when it happened and I wasn't talking to myself. But in any case, we're in the middle of plotting those points. So we did 2, now we have to do 3, which is at 1650. So if we go week 3, past 15, 1750 would be halfway. So a little less than that. Again, we're being as exact as we can, recognizing it won't be exactly right. 4 is 22. So again, a little less than half. And then 2750 for week 5 is exactly halfway in between. All right. So there are points. Hopefully that is what you got. Now this one, going to do a little more thinking about how we'd create the graph for the questions. So some students record the morning temperature every Monday for 8 weeks. Represent their data in a line graph. So the first thing I want you to choose is, what should I title the graph? All right, hopefully you got it. Something along the lines of morning temperature or Monday's temperature. Then what should I put on the x-axis? All right, not too many choices. Weeks should go on the x-axis because we always put our time, whether weeks, months, days, hours, minutes. That always goes on the x-axis for line graphs. What should I put on the y-axis? Only thing left, temperature would go on our y-axis. Now this one, what should my scale be for the y-axis? Meaning it should go from what to what? Now this one, it's tempting to pick just my first and my last numbers. Oops, I didn't even show you the last number. To just say like 75 to 68 or 68 to 75 or 76. But notice there is a lower one here and there's one that's higher. Sometimes the middle ones can be lower or higher. This one doesn't follow that nice upward or downward pattern. So then we have to make sure we include those. So that's why 60 to 80 would be a good scale for that. And then lastly, I was going to show you the graph and then ask this one. So this is what it would generally look like. Obviously not the neatest graph, but you get the idea how it sort of goes up and down, doesn't follow a consistent pattern because sometimes real life doesn't. So what overall change over time does the line graph show? All right, hopefully you got it. It does show a general decrease, even though some of it goes up and down. Overall, it does go down. There's the questions. We got them in the second video. If you need more help, let me know. Good luck.